Hey, gorgeous! Welcome to another beauty adventure. Ever feel like your perfectly applied eyeliner just disappears when you open your eyes? It's like magic, but the frustrating kind. Yep, that's the hooded eye struggle. It's a common issue, and you're definitely not alone in this. Hooded eyes have extra skin that folds over the crease, sometimes making the eyelid seem smaller. This can make it tricky to show off that gorgeous eyeliner. This can make applying eyeliner a tad trickier. But don't worry, beautiful. With the right techniques, you can make your eyes pop. I'm here to share my tried and true tips for rocking winged eyeliner, even with hooded eyes. It's all about working with your eye shape, not against it. Trust me, with a little practice, you'll be slaying those wings like a pro in no time. Practice makes perfect, and soon, you'll be a master. It's all about understanding our eye shape and using techniques that flatter it. Knowing your eye shape is the first step to mastering any makeup look. We're going to work with your natural crease, not against it. This way, your eyeliner will stay visible and fabulous. The key is to create the illusion of bigger, brighter eyes, and winged eyeliner is the secret weapon. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and transform those beautiful eyes. Before we even think about eyeliner, let's talk about prepping those lids. Just like a painter needs a smooth canvas, we need a flawless base for our eyeliner masterpiece. Start by applying a thin layer of eyeshadow primer to your eyelids. This will create a smooth, even surface for the eyeliner to glide on. It also helps prevent creasing and smudging, which is especially important for us hooded-eyed beauties. Once the primer has dried, set it with a light dusting of translucent setting powder. This will help to absorb any excess oil and ensure that your eyeliner stays put all day long. Remember, we want a long-lasting look. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the wing. Winged eyeliner can be a game changer, especially for those with hooded eyes. It can add definition, drama, and a touch of elegance to your look. But it can also be a bit tricky to master. Don't worry though. With a few tailored techniques, you can achieve that perfect winged look effortlessly. For hooded eyes, the key is to create a wing that lifts and elongates the eye, rather than one that disappears into the crease. This means focusing on the outer part of your eye and ensuring the wing is visible even when your eyes are open. Instead of drawing a straight line from the corner of your eye, try creating a small upward flick at the outer corner. This upward flick helps to counteract the natural droop of hooded eyes, giving them a lifted appearance. Imagine you're drawing a checkmark shape. This technique ensures that the wing remains visible and doesn't get lost in the crease. The checkmark shape also adds a playful twist to the traditional winged eyeliner, making it more unique and tailored to your eye shape. This will help to open up your eyes and create the illusion of a more almond shape. Almond-shaped eyes are often considered the ideal eye shape, and this technique can help you achieve that look effortlessly. Another helpful tip is to use the connect the dots method. This method is especially useful for beginners or those who struggle with getting a straight line. Start by making a small dot where you want the tip of your wing to end. This dot acts as a guide and ensures that both wings are symmetrical. Then, draw a thin line from the outer corner of your eye to the dot. This step helps in creating a precise and clean wing. Finally, fill in the space between the line and your lash line. This completes the winged look, making your eyes appear more defined and striking. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with these techniques until you find what works best for you. Happy winging! Smudging is the enemy of perfect winged eyeliner, especially for hooded eyes. To prevent this makeup meltdown, always use a waterproof eyeliner formula. This will help to keep your liner in place, even if your eyelids tend to get oily. Another helpful tip is to avoid applying eyeliner to your lower lash line. This can actually make your eyes look smaller and emphasize any darkness under your eyes. If you do experience smudging, don't panic. Simply dip a cotton swab in a bit of makeup remover and gently clean up any stray marks. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different eyeliner techniques, the easier it will become to achieve a flawless winged look. Section 5. Pro-level liner hacks, makeup artist's secrets revealed. Ready for some next-level liner tips? Here are a few tricks that I've learned from my years as a makeup artist. To intensify your wing and make it pop, try using a black eyeshadow to set your eyeliner. Simply dip a small angled brush into the shadow and gently press it along your lash line, right on top of your eyeliner. This will create a bolder, more dramatic look. Another pro tip is to use a white or nude eyeliner pencil on your waterline. This will help to brighten your eyes and create the illusion of a wider, more awake look. It's a subtle trick, but it makes a huge difference. Section 6. Finding the perfect eyeliner. Different formulas for different folks. With so many different eyeliner formulas out there, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Let's break it down. Eyeliner is a staple in many makeup routines, but the variety of options can be overwhelming. From pencil to liquid to gel, each type has its own unique benefits and challenges. Understanding these can help you make an informed choice that suits your style and skill level. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with a pencil liner. Pencil eyeliners are incredibly user-friendly and versatile. They come in a variety of colors and finishes, from matte to metallic, allowing you to experiment with different looks. They're easy to control and blend, making them perfect for practicing your winged liner skills. You can smudge them for a smoky effect or keep them sharp for a more defined look. Plus, they're portable and don't require any additional tools, making them great for on-the-go touch-ups. For a more precise, long-lasting look, try a liquid liner. Liquid eyeliners are known for their sharp, clean lines and intense pigmentation. They are perfect for creating dramatic looks, such as cat eyes or graphic designs. These can be a bit trickier to master, but they offer incredible pigmentation and staying power. Liquid liners often come with a fine brush or felt tip applicator, which allows for precise application. However, they do require a steady hand and some practice to perfect. Finally, if you want the best of both worlds, gel liners are a great option. Gel eyeliners combine the ease of a pencil with the intensity of a liquid liner. They come in small pots and are applied with a brush, giving you control over the thickness and style of your line. They're super pigmented and long-lasting, but they also have a slightly creamier texture that's easier to work with than liquid liner. Gel liners are ideal for creating bold, dramatic looks, and they can also be smudged for a softer, more diffused effect. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's an eyeliner formula out there that's perfect for you. So go ahead, experiment, and find your perfect match. Section 7. Experimenting with eyeliner styles cat eye, puppy, eye, and beyond. Once you've mastered the classic winged eyeliner look, don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. A cat eye is a timeless choice that's perfect for a night out, while a puppy eyeliner is a softer, more subtle option that's perfect for everyday wear. You can also play around with different colors and finishes. A pop of colorful eyeliner can add a fun and flirty touch to your look, while a shimmery eyeliner can instantly glam up your makeup. Remember, makeup is all about expressing your unique personality and style. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what looks best on you. Section 8. Embracing your unique beauty. Hooded eyes are gorgeous. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that hooded eyes are beautiful. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Our eye shape is unique and striking, and it deserves to be celebrated. The most important thing is to find makeup techniques that make you feel confident and beautiful. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if your winged liner isn't perfect the first time you try it. Just keep practicing, and soon you'll be slaying those wings like a pro. Section 9. Final thoughts. You've got this, liner queen. And there you have it, my loves. Everything you need to know to master the art of winged eyeliner for hooded eyes. Remember, the key is to work with your natural eye shape, use the right techniques, and choose the right products. With a little practice and patience, you'll be rocking flawless, fierce liner in no time. Now go out there and show the world those gorgeous eyes.